Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ryan Ulrich, and I'm from Step 1 Consulting Firm. I'm joined by my group members Ben Batten, Brennan Bookmeyer, Peter Bryant, Erica Stevens, Tom Stevenson, Christina Turner, and Caitlin Zahner. We're here tonight to give you a pitch for the ABC Corporation network infrastructure. So as far as ABC has outlined what their needs are for this infrastructure, you require the infrastructure itself to be put together in the current buildings, 24/7 monitoring system for inside and outside the buildings, remote access for unlocking doors, a secure wireless network with access points, email, internet access, and common printing through your servers, as well as file storage and video storage for that surveillance footage. Some assumptions we've made as far as ABC Corporation's needs are that each employee has a Windows computer at their desk. Each employee also has a phone currently at their desk. Fiber connections are laid between buildings. Cottages have fiber run to Cottage 9 and then all the way to the main distribution frame, which is currently located in the JSC building. And currently, ABC has 3 servers already implemented. Now it's time for Step 1's proposal for the network infrastructure for ABC Corporation. Networking equipment requirements are going to require the purchase of routers, switches, cameras, remote door locks, and motion detectors. We've chosen to utilize a Class C addressing scheme beginning with the private address of 192.168.0.0/16. We will require business level bandwidth running from the internet service provider into ABC Corporation's main distribution frame, and we've approximated the networking equipment cost to be $143,000. This cost will include the following equipment: Cisco 2901 voice bundle routers, Cisco Catalyst 2960X switches, and Cisco Catalyst 3560X layer 3 switches. In addition, we will also have a Cisco ASA, which is Adaptive Security Appliance, 5508X, a Cisco Aeronet 1852i wireless access point, Cisco single fiber bidirectional SFP transceivers, as well as UCS C220M4 rack servers. The networking equipment, the Cisco 2960Xs are 24-port layer 2 switches to create the local network. The Cisco fiber modules will work to connect the switches and the existing fiber in ABC Corporation's campus. Cisco routers will connect between the switches and manage the routing throughout the network. The access points will provide access to the wireless connection. The adaptive security appliances provide the firewalls for security, and the additional servers will host email, access control, and printing. Broken down on this spreadsheet is the approximate cost of the networking equipment. The layer 2 switches are approximately $850 a piece. The fiber module is $859. Our layer 3 switches $4,069.99. The routers come in at $1936.99. The wireless access points are $589 a piece. Firewalls $674.99. The firewall subscription for 3 years is $25,338.99, and the servers each are $1,477. When coupled with the amount of each piece of equipment we will need, the approximate cost comes out to $142,000. It's time to view the logical and physical topology of the network we have built for ABC Corporation. The hosts needed within this network are approximately 6,000 total. This is doubled for the expansion that we anticipate ABC seeing in the future, and this also assumes that you will have 3 devices per individual, including those connected to the wireless access points. Peripheral equipment will include the IP webcams, the Cisco VoIP phones for voice over IP, the Securitron electromagnetic locks for the doors, as well as the outdoor wired microwave barrier detector alarm motion sensor. The approximate cost for these pieces of equipment are $269 for the motion detector, $995 for the webcam, $221.99 for the voice over IP phones, as well as $511 for each locking door. The next steps that will follow when building ABC's infrastructure are determining the wireless strategy for the campus, determining the cost to actually wire the interior of the buildings for this infrastructure, determine the security strategy for both the wireless and wired networks, determine the services strategy for the firewalls and any other subscriptions we may need to provide to ABC, determine the BDR plan as well as a timeline for implementation. Questions currently posed to ABC include how many PCs are currently owned by ABC Corp. This will allow us to determine a finite number of VoIP telephones for purchase. Also, how many individuals are in each cabin needing network access? Is this 25 individual staff members per cabin, or 25 members spread out across all of the cabins? Is the intent of ABC Corp to hire a networking staff to manage the network, or is that an aspect for Step 1 Consulting to manage? Thank you for your time. Again, we are Step 1 Consulting, and you have been shown the potential network for ABC Corporation.